Okay, so here you go, Nick. Your long-awaited Revo 3.3. Got the 3.3 in there. Beautiful engine. Sounds good. 2-speed is also on point. And yeah, it's a really good truck. Before shipping, I just took it out of the box again and inspected it just to make sure. Double checked everything and it's good to go. Battery's fully charged, so once you take it out of the packaging, you probably won't have to charge it. You can just play with it right on the spot. But yeah, thanks a lot for letting me work on this thing. It's been a journey, but it's up and running now. Alright, man, see you later.